In this video series, we are learning about prompt engineering. So let's start with our first lecture with introduction to prompt engineering. So let's first understand what is prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting inputs prompts that effectively communicate with artificial intelligence models, particularly large language models, that is LLMs, to generate the desired outputs. It involves understanding how these models interpret and respond to various prompts, and then designing prompts that guide the models to produce the accurate, relevant, and high quality of responses. Prompt engineering is not just about asking questions, it's about asking the right questions in the right way. This discipline requires a deep understanding of the capabilities and limitations of AI models, as well as a keen sense of how language nuances can influence the output. In simple words, this is the method of communication with LLMs and how well you are communicating with these LLMs to get the desired results. Also, it depends on your experience as well as the creativity, how elaborately you can write a prompt or how much in detail you can write a prompt to get the exact result what you require. This video series is more practical based. So let's first understand about the prompts and how they give results in different scenarios. So here we have the ChatGPT interface, and we are going to see how different prompts are going to give you different results. So here we have our first prompt, which is generate a question on integration for class 12. Let's see how it is going to give us the result. So here we can see that it has generated an integration question where it has also provided a hint for students. Now let's use our next prompt and see what is the difference between the results. So here we have our second prompt, which states generate a question on integration for class 12 with detailed solution. So let's try it and see the result. So it has generated the desired result in detail, because our prompt states that generate a question on integration for class 12 with detailed solution. That means we have given this LLM more instruction in comparison to our previous prompt. Now let's use our third prompt and see what is the difference. So here we have our third prompt, which states generate a question on integration for class 12 with detailed solution in a LaTeX code. Generally I used to create the mathematical content in LaTeX only, and here we are also going to learn how the result look like. Let's try this particular prompt now. So here we can see our desired result in the LaTeX code only. Now I'll show you the desired result or the desired output after we are going to paste this code in our Tech Studio. So students, here I have pasted our code which is in LaTeX. Now we'll see the output of this. So here it has compiled and is showing the desired output here, and see how beautifully it is showing the desired result, and this result is in PDF only. You can simply use this PDF for your students. Now let's use our next prompt and see the difference. So students, here we have our next prompt, which is state generate a question on integration for class 12 with detailed solution and make the code in HTML CSS to paste on WordPress website. The code will have the following property. Here I have given instructions in more detail. First one is it should be light to load it should not impact the overall format of the WordPress page like navigation bar, etc. The code should run smoothly after pasting on WordPress page. As I have seen and also I have faced some difficulties while pasting these codes generated by the LLMs on the WordPress website. It impacted the format of the WordPress page, and after that I have to edit those codes to get the desired result. So here I have given the instruction the code should run smoothly after pasting on the WordPress page, as well as it should not impact the overall format. Now let's use this prompt and see the result of the LLM. So here it has given the HTML code of this particular prompt with the help of this particular prompt. Now let's paste this on our WordPress page and see the result. So let's paste our code here and save it to see the desired result. Here it has created also a button sort of thing. After clicking it, it is giving us the desired result. Now if you can see that the desired result is not looking so smooth as it was in our Tech Studio. Let's see the result. Here we can see in our Tech Studio it is looking very smooth, but here it has created some issues. As you can see, the fraction is not proper. So let's resolve this issue as well with our next prompt. Now let's try our next prompt and see the desired output. Now let's try our another prompt in which we are giving different direction. In this prompt, our first 3 points are same, but we have added it is mathematical question. Therefore, after rendering on the WordPress, the output should be as same as in Tech Studio. So let's try it out and see the desired output. What is the difference between this and the previous prompt result? So here it is generating the desired output as per our prompt which we have just provided to this ChatGPT. I'll copy this particular prompt result, particular code, and I would like to discuss the difference between the previous prompt result and this HTML file. In our previous HTML file, it has simply given us the HTML code and CSS code. But here what it has done, you can see that load MathJax only if not already loaded. That means it is going to load the MathJax, which is very important while rendering any mathematical equation on WordPress or whether it is on PHP website. So every developer is using it whenever it is a mathematical or science based website. So this is very important. Now let's see the desired output and see the difference between the result of our previous prompt and this prompt. I am copying it here and let's see what will be the desired output. Let me refresh it. Now you can see this was our previous result. This was the result of our previous prompt till here, final answer. Now in this particular prompt you can see that the desired output is more clear and anyone can read it. You can see the difference between our previous prompt result and this one. So I hope you must have understood what is the difference between the output when we are providing different prompts to the LLM. Now let's understand the importance of prompt engineering in AI and NLP workflows. Here we have prompt engineering plays a crucial role in AI and NLP, that means natural language processing workflows, for several reasons. Number one is the efficiency. Well-crafted prompts, as we have seen in our examples, can significantly reduce the time and computational resources required to obtain useful responses from AI models. Second one is accuracy. Precise prompts help minimize errors and irrelevant informations, leading to more accurate and reliable outputs. As we have seen our examples, that when we have used different prompts, the AI was giving different results, and those results were solely dependent on the prompt which we have provided to the LLM. Third one is customization. Different tasks require different types of prompts. Prompt engineering allows for the customization of inputs to suit specific needs, whether it's coding, writing, customer service, or research as well. Fourth one is user experience. Effective prompts enhance the user experience by making interactions with AI models more intuitive and productive. In short, prompt engineering plays crucial role in AI and NLP workflows when we talk about efficiency, accuracy, customization, and the user experience. Now let's understand the use cases where we are using prompt engineering. So if we talk about the use cases, then we are using it in natural language processing, NLPs. LLMs are used in various NLP tasks such as sentiment analysis, named entity recognition, and part of speech tagging. So sentiment analysis is basically are used in bots where you are using the analysis related to any product. For example, what is the sentiment of people who want to purchase a Bitcoin? In such a scenario, it is going to help you a lot. You can create a bot which can scrap the sentiments from various social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, etc. After that, you can analyze those sentiments and get your desired results. That means what are the sentiments or where the sentiments are going related to a Bitcoin purchase or selling. Similarly, we are using it on the content creation. They can generate articles, stories, marketing copy that we are going to discuss later, and other forms of written content assisting authors and content creators. Next one is customer service. LLMs power chatbots and virtual assistants that can handle customer inquiries, provide support, and resolve issues automatically. In education, they can act as a tutors, providing explanation, answering questions, and helping students with their studies. We are going to discuss it in more detail in our upcoming videos, how we can create educational material, as I have been creating educational material by using LLMs for the past more than 4 to 5 years now. And also, I am creating those educational material specifically on mathematics in LaTeX coding. So we are going to learn all that. Next one is research. LLMs assist researchers by summarizing papers, generating hypotheses, and even writing drafts of research articles. So even researchers can also use this. Coding. In coding also, they can generate code snippets, debug programs, and assist developers in writing software. We are also going to generate few code snippets, and also we are going to learn how we can use these LLMs to create plugins which can be integrated on the WordPress to get the desired results what we are expecting from these LLMs. So this tutorial is going to help a lot, whether you are a researcher, whether you are a coder, whether you are a person in SEO, whether you are a blog writer, or whether you are into education. Now let's discuss about the overviews on different LLMs. So here we have large language models are advanced AI system trained on vast amount of text data to understand, generate human-like language. That means different LLMs are first trained on huge data sets, due to which they are providing you the desired results. These models leverage deep learning techniques, particularly transformer architecture, to process and produce coherent and contextually relevant text based on the input they receive. Some of the prominent LLMs include, as we all know, GPT-4, developed by the OpenAI, that is generative pre-trained transformer, is known for its versatility and ability to handle a wide range of tasks from writing and coding to complex problem solving. In our video tutorial, we are going to discuss on different LLMs, and we are going to see how these LLMs are giving you different results and where to use which LLM to get the best desired results. Next one is Cloud A. Developed by the Mistral AI, Cloud is designed to be highly conversational and excels in tasks that require a deep understanding of context and nuanced responses. It is particularly effective in applications where natural engaging interactions are crucial, such as customer service and virtual assistants. Here I have mentioned where to use this type of LLMs. Next one is Gemini. Developed by Google, Gemini is optimized for integration with various Google services and provides robust support for multilingual tasks. This makes it a versatile choice for global applications as it can handle multiple languages and integrate seamlessly with other Google products. Next one is Mistral. Also developed by the Mistral AI, Mistral is known for its efficiency and effectiveness in handling specialized tasks. It is popular choice for enterprise applications where specific high performance language processing is required. This is very important. Next one is DeepSeek. Developed by the DeepSeek AI, DeepSeek is an advanced LLM that focuses on deep learning and extensive data analysis. It is designed to provide highly accurate and detailed responses, making it suitable for complex tasks such as research, data interpretation, and advanced problem solving. DeepSeek is particularly noted for its ability to develop deeply into specific topics and provide comprehensive insights. So these are the different AI tools, you can say. These are the different LLMs what we are going to discuss in our next videos, and we are also going to learn how these LLMs are going to provide you different results on the same prompts, and we are going to judge different LLMs which LLM is providing you the best desired output. Each of these LLMs have its own strength and weakness, what we are going to discuss in our next few videos. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. We are going to meet in our next videos in which we are going to learn more about prompt engineering on more practical basis. Till then, goodbye and take care.